This is face tracking example using ARCore from Google Immunity AR Foundation. Unlike tracking images or objects, face tracking is more challenging because face can have more small regions which can constantly changing. Also, this face tracking doesn't need special hardware like depth sensor. It only needs phone's camera and uses machine learning algorithm to extract 3 pieces of information: center pose for the face, regional poses around forehead and nose, and a 468-point dense 3D face mesh which allows painting detailed textures that accurately follow facial movements. Let's think about it again. As mentioned, there is a 468-point dense 3D face mesh that follows facial movements in the ARCore face tracking implementation. They divide the face into many small regions and each of them can be individually accessed and controlled. If we paint on these small regions of the face mesh, then we can see the painting follows the facial movements as well. The colors and patterns on the face therefore can be changed easily. Is it for fun? Yes, here it is just for fun. But it also shows what can be done using the face tracking technology. Furthermore, I can paint an entire video on my face. Please see the original video followed by the video painted on my face. That video was created by one of my colleagues long time ago. You can see, we were dancing, actually our faces were borrowed by the dancing organizer to dance.
Very good, very good, very good. Thank you.